Meet the Sonance UA2-125 amplifier and its HDMI-enabled counterpart, the UA2-125 ARC. These ultra-compact, high-performance amplifiers are purpose-built to deliver clean, optimized audio in spaces where performance and discretion matter. Inside the box, you'll find the amplifier with mounting brackets, a speaker connector, IR receiver, and if ordered in North America, a power cord. 4 M3 T-nuts are also included for flexible mounting. Each model delivers 125 watts per channel, or up to 250 watts in power sharing mode. The UA2-125 supports analog, coax, and optical digital inputs, while the ARC model includes an HDMI eARC input with CEC control. The UA series amps are designed to mount wherever needed, and with a T-slot chassis and compact form factor, they install easily in tight spaces, behind a display, in a wall box, or even in a weather-rated enclosure. For more custom installations, the chassis includes 20mm T-slots compatible with standard 20 series mounting hardware. The included T-nuts can be dropped in or slid from the side. T-slot spacing matches 75mm and 100mm VESA patterns for added flexibility. The UA2-125 amplifiers are extremely versatile and allows for multiple mounting options. Here are 4 common mounting applications. Note: be sure to have speaker wire already run to the determined location prior to mounting. Use tape on the flat side of the amplifier and fit it to your specific placement on the back of the TV. A built-in hole allows for a safety or seismic tether for secure mounting. Another method would be to use a third-party device mount or media streaming panel to attach to the amplifier. Determine the placement of the device mount and secure it to the TV mounting bracket. Then, using the T-nuts or the accompanying devices, slide the screws into the slots and secure it in place. A third option is to mount directly to the wall behind the TV. Loosen the screws on the brackets to slide them into the side-mounted T-slots, then tighten to lock. Drill through the bracket holes to secure it in place. Finally, install the amp into a wall box behind the TV. Determine the placement of amp based on outlet accessibility and additional necessary equipment. Once again, the versatility of the amp's T-slots offers solutions for including other streaming devices if needed. Once a mounting option is selected, the next steps are the same. Strip each wire, insert it into the terminal, and tighten the screws on top. Double check that the wire is secure and free of stray strands. Match polarity, positive to positive and negative to negative. Insert the speaker block connector into the amplifier output port. Now, connect your source. The UA2-125 supports analog RCA in either coaxial or optical digital. Only connect one digital input at a time. The amp will auto-detect. The ARC version connects via HDMI. Make sure to use a cable-rated HDMI 2.1 or better, and plug it into your TV's eARC or ARC port. Connect the power cable to the amplifier, then plug it into the power outlet. The LED on the front will light up to confirm the amp is powered and ready. Download the SonARC for UA Series Amps app from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device. Launch the app and it will automatically search for amplifiers nearby. When your amplifier appears, tap to connect. If it doesn't show up, ensure it's powered on and within Bluetooth range. Swipe down to refresh the list. If it's still not showing, press and release the setup button on the amp. When the LED blinks blue, swipe down again and refresh the app and select your amplifier. Once connected, the SonARC app lets you customize audio performance, assign speaker EQ presets, adjust input trims and output levels, set default source and switching behavior. configure power sharing mode or stereo output, choose fixed or variable volume control, and also set up IR learning. From its compact design and smart setup to powerful performance and flexible mounting, the UA series delivers a seamless solution for localized audio. To learn more, visit sonance.com.